Hi everybody, and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Cooking with the Geezer. Now we're going to be cooking up some recipes. Not today, not this video. We're just saying hi, let you know we're coming. We're going to be working on some stuff. I'm going to be cooking some recipes that I like to cook. Chili, tacos, meatloaf, cheesecake. Um, we're going to have some youngsters cooking with us to do some youngster friendly cooking. Um, I've never quite done fried chicken very well, so I'm going to do a fried chicken recipe, and you're going to get to see whether or not I do well on it. So if I make the fried chicken right, you're going to see it. If I mess up on it, you're going to see it. There's some other recipes that I've made for quite some time, and so I like those. I recently started making chicken fried steak. I really love that. We can try the traditional white gravy. I'm partial to chicken gravy or brown gravy on there. So we'll see. We might do both. Do one day and down the road sometime do it the other way. But I like how I make them from scratch. Just getting cube steak and flour and seasonings I put in there, and we'll throw it in the deep fryer because it's really good that way, and it doesn't take very long to cook, so it'll be easy for you to follow along. It'll be easy for you to make that yourself. My tacos, they're pork adobo tacos, and so I really like those. Make a mean breakfast sandwich that I think you really like, and you can modify any of these recipes to fit your likes, or this, you don't make something you don't like. So I don't eat mayonnaise, so you're not going to see any mayonnaise in my recipes. So if somebody else shares their recipe and they have mayonnaise, you won't see me trying it. No way. But you'll see them trying it, and maybe you'll make those recipes. I got a griddle, a 36-inch Blackstone griddle I'm going to be cooking on. I got a deep fryer. We have a grill. We can do some stovetop and some oven recipes. We'll just see how it goes.